In conclusion, the combined knowledge and application of CPR, AED use, and choking response are vital components of emergency first aid that can save lives in critical situations. CPR, whether hands only or including rescue breaths, helps maintain blood flow to vital organs during cardiac arrest, while an AED can provide a necessary shock to restart the heart's normal rhythm. In cases of choking, quick and effective intervention using the Heimlich maneuver can dislodge an obstruction and restore normal breathing. Immediate action from bystanders in these emergencies is crucial, as it can significantly improve survival rates and outcomes. Training more people in these life-saving techniques and ensuring easy access to AEDs in public spaces are essential steps toward enhancing community preparedness. With the right knowledge and tools, bystanders can make a profound difference, offering critical support and potentially saving lives in moments of medical crisis.